2 can tuna have tripled the price, like everything.
الدواء الثالث مقطوع والجنريك تبعه اللبناني مقطوع.
I lost the light at the end of the tunnel. I used to earn every month around $2,000. Now the same salary, it decreased by more than 75%. If I'm not mistaken, my salary value is now less than $250. So a lot of what we used to call normal back then, 1.5, 2 years ago, it's now
like a distant past?
It's like, exactly, it's like a fairy tale. Oil price has shooted thrice. It's around 60,000 today. Last week it was around 50. Here we come to the biggest disaster. 1 kilo of red meat has quadrupled the price. So many families who used to consume meat on daily basis are pushed now to consume it on weekly basis, or to be selective in the amount of meat they can afford to buy.
في عندك كم دواء مقطوع بالليستة.
So what are these for?
Some of these medications are for hypertension, some are for diabetes, some are for UTIs.
So you have to take them regularly. It's not one off.
No, they're daily medication, and some of them are crucial to take every day, because and there's a really huge shortage of meds in Lebanon now.
كيفك عمو؟ كان هون شو مملكتك هيدي؟
Frankly, I lost the light at the end of the tunnel, because we strive to find it, because we rely on the responsible who proved themselves they are irresponsible now, because they are reckless, and it's been 1.5 years without any proper solution to the captivated people. For me, Lebanon now is a large jail. It's a dungeon.